everyone! Today we are going to learn about puzzles. Knowledge Bank 2. Now let's open the pack and see what's inside. So many puzzle pieces and so many animals. Yes, this looks like a zebra with the black stripes. Oh, I found zebra's legs. I found all the legs of the zebra. Yes, and the zebra's body. Let's attach it. Now, the upper body is still incomplete. Oh, I found that. Let us put it here. And now, the remaining piece. Which one? Which one is it? Let us see. This one? No. Yay! This one! Zebra! Yay! Okay, so now let's start making tiger. I'm really afraid of tiger, but we're gonna make tiger now. Yes, the legs of the tiger, the body of the tiger. We'll put it here. And we can see the tiger now. Wow, tiger! Okay, now which one to choose? This is a giraffe and we need to complete it. This is the body of the giraffe and the legs and the tail of the giraffe. Yes, this one. This is the long neck of giraffe. This is the body of giraffe. Now, yeah, the face of the giraffe. Now what's here? Yeah, the legs of the giraffe. Now we have to find front legs. Where are they? Yes, let's put them here. The ear of the giraffe. Yay! Hooray! We've completed the giraffe. Now, let's see, which animal is this? This is a monkey. The monkey keeps jumping here and there. We found the monkey's body so easily. Now the remaining part. Oh, got it. But this is a gorilla. I thought it was a monkey. Same family though. Oh, this looks like an elephant. Big fat elephant. Yes, the long ear of the elephant. The fat body of the elephant. The trunk of the elephant. Elephant. We found snake. The snake. Yay! Now we're gonna make panda. White and black. Yay! We completed it. It's a cute panda. Now, which one's the last one? What is it? Oh, this is a deer! Yay! We've completed the puzzle! Hooray! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.